Hello, welcome to my channel. This time we are going to learn about tie and dye and its a sewing method. Please like my video. As you can see, I'm using a diamond shape 3 by 3 centimeter. You can also try on your own. We are going to use nylon thread, and you can see I'm having a needle there. We're going to start with the smallest diamond shape. Please start with the smallest inside so that the work will be simpler to you. And again, be careful with your hand as you're doing the work. Almost you are done with the first diamond shape. You're almost there. Yeah, you can see that's the first one. We are done with it. You keep on repeating the same thing. You are almost there. That's the last big diamond shape we are sewing. Anyway, we don't know how it's going to come out. Let's want to see at the end of the day how the work will be looking like. Well, we are done. So make sure to start with the smallest shape you are making with a diamond or circle, so your work will be nice and will not disturb you when it comes to tying. Please make sure you tie it firmly enough. When you reach the process of dipping in a dye, you'll not be disappointed. We are done. The other thing we're going to use is a palm leaf. This is always used by Baganda dancers. They use for dancing. It will help you also for tying. The dye doesn't penetrate. So you can see there. You're almost done with that. After tying, make sure you mix your dye, and you're using nylon dye this time. You mix it very well. You keep on adding, it depends on how you want the mixer to be. And make sure you can also add some little salt or sugar depending on what you can afford. So as you can see, then after you dip, after dipping for around 2 to 5 minutes, let it dry. After drying, you put in cold water, you raise it. After drying, then you can remove the nylon thread. As you can see, be careful also when you're moving it. You might even cut your piece. As you can see, we are removing the nylon thread. Let's see how it will come out. Let's see how the design will come out. Wow, it's almost done. Wow, it's almost done. You can see the design. Please, you can subscribe and like the video. You can send to your friends. This is just a small work. It is easy to do it. The work's done. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for my channel. Share my video. Like it. Bye bye. Thanks for watching.